So if you know that making up to 600 US dollars is not a big deal for you, or it's not, it is difficult for you, or if you are interested in how I make all this money from trading, simple analysis, I'm going to show you guys in this video. Do well to stick to the end so you can find some values on it. So I'll be talking about Euro AUD, how I'm making this profit specifically from Euro AUD. That is the Euro versus the Australian dollar. So I'm going to go straight to the point. From the monthly time frame, you can see it very, very clearly. Over the monthly time frame, if I bring in my arrows, you can see that this price is heading to the downside. From the monthly time frame, this price is heading to the downside, which is somewhere here. So I know this through the help of studying how market moves, through the help of learning market analysis, and through the help of learning top-down analysis. So from the higher time frame, I can see that this price is heading downwards. What I can do, I can look for a point of interest that the price always respects, and I found that point of interest on the daily time frame with the help of this trend line. So with the help of this trend, I was able to see where the price was touching when it is coming down, where the price was touching when it is coming down. You can see over here, whenever the price hit this trend line, it comes down, went all the way down to the downside, then found a way to hit the trend line again, then also push down. So you can see, if you can see all this market like this, if you can catch all these things on, and these things, they happens on many pairs, they happens on different many currency, that they happen where. Now for you to just open your eye and look for them, go to higher time frames, from there go to weekly time frames, go to daily time frame, you will see all these things that they happen every day for this forest of 18. So if you can see all these things, you can easily predict them to make money from them, whether you are trading from a prop firm account, or whether na your personal account side you take the trade, or you will fit make money from those things. So for me now, what I just do, as I see say this price don't hit this trend line, I don't already know, see, after e hit this trend line, it will fall, because na wetin e dey do since then. As far as e no break out to the upside, the next thing we go do, e no range for there, say cause dey go up, dey go down. No, as e hit the trend, what happen? I see this red candle. May I zoom in? I zoom in. So I can see this red candle for here. E break out with this red candle. Then these two other green candles. Sorry, this red candle here. So as I see this red candle, say okay, this price, it be like say e no will retrace. The next thing on the daily time frame, I call the look this thing from the daily time frame. The daily time frame, I see say it break out totally, and I already put in my stop, my sell stop, my order, this red line. I don't place am for this. Okay, if this price break this thing, go enter my trap, then automatically go trigger me for the trade. And now exactly what it happened with that for Euro AUD. So I place my sell stop there, and I'm hoping that this thing will happen, and eventually it happened. Over now, that's why I see now I'm profit on Euro AUD, and my take profit is the next level of support. Why? Because if you go over to the weekly time frame, you will see say whenever price hit this line, e dey retrace, e reverse, e hit am for here, e reverse, hit am for here, reverse, hit am for here, then e come reverse onto the upside. Now e don come back down to here. So there's a high chance that it will definitely see retrace or reverse anyhow. It will definitely reverse. That is why I place stop loss, take profit around that area. So anything the market do when it reach there, I will let you know. So do well to like this video if you know so you find any value from this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you watch from YouTube. Follow me if you're watching from TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, keep grinding, keep trading. You will definitely get your results. Peace.